How can the outcome of one high-profile case reshape the entire legal landscape for sexual assault survivors? In the wake of a controversial court decision that overturned Harvey Weinstein's conviction, New York lawmakers are pushing for a significant amendment in the state's criminal procedure law. The proposed change? To allow evidence of a defendant's prior sexual assaults to be admissible in court. This legal pivot is spearheaded by Assemblymember Amy Paulin and State Senator Mike Gianaris. Paulin, a Democrat representing parts of Westchester and a vocal rape survivor, alongside Gianaris from Queens, argue that the current law lacks clarity, a flaw starkly highlighted by the Weinstein case. Their bill emerges directly in response to the New York State Court of Appeals' recent decision, which found that Weinstein's jury may have been prejudiced by testimonies of alleged assaults not directly tied to the case at hand. This bill could mark a significant shift in how sexual assault cases are prosecuted in New York. What exactly does this proposed bill entail, and why does it matter? In the wake of a controversial court decision in New York, lawmakers are stepping forward with a legislative proposal that could significantly alter the landscape of sexual assault prosecutions within the state. The bill, introduced by Assemblymember Amy Paulin and State Senator Mike Gianaris, seeks to amend New York's criminal procedure law, specifically concerning the admissibility of a defendant's prior sexual misconduct in court. Under current legal standards, evidence of prior bad acts is often inadmissible due to the risk of prejudicing a jury, making it challenging to present a comprehensive view of a defendant's behavior. However, this bill proposes a pivotal shift, allowing such evidence to be considered in sexual assault cases. This change aims to clarify and expand the scope of what can be legally presented during trials, which proponents argue is essential for cases involving serial offenders whose past actions can establish a pattern of behavior. The implications of this are profound. On one hand, it could empower prosecutors to build stronger cases against accused individuals by linking past and present misconduct, potentially leading to more convictions in cases that are notoriously difficult to prove. On the other hand, there are valid concerns about the potential for such evidence to bias jurors, leading them to convict based on character judgments rather than the facts of the case at hand. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office, represented by spokesperson Emily Tuttle, has expressed strong support for the bill. Tuttle emphasized the importance of aligning legal procedures with the harsh realities of sexual assault, ensuring that laws do not inadvertently shield repeat offenders while still safeguarding the rights of the accused. With this bill, New York could see a pivotal enhancement in the pursuit of justice for survivors. The proposal not only reflects a local response to specific legal challenges, but also taps into broader national conversations about the balance between protecting the accused and supporting victims in the judicial system. What are the broader implications of this bill for the legal system and for those involved in sexual assault cases? With New York poised to potentially allow prior bad acts as admissible evidence in sexual assault proceedings, the legal community is abuzz with discussions about the ripple effects of such a change. This development could set a precedent, encouraging other states to reassess their own legal frameworks. It's a pivotal moment that could reshape the landscape of criminal justice, particularly in how sexual assault cases are prosecuted and defended. Balancing the scales between protecting the rights of the accused and supporting survivors is a delicate task. This bill seeks to tilt that balance slightly, offering prosecutors tools that could strengthen the cases of survivors while ensuring that the rights of the accused are safeguarded through rigorous legal scrutiny. The planned retrial of Harvey Weinstein in New York could become a litmus test for the effectiveness of this new legislation. If the bill passes, the evidence allowed could significantly impact the strategies employed by both the defense and prosecution. This trial, watched closely by both legal experts and the public, could become a landmark case under the new rules. Stakeholders, including legal experts, survivors' advocacy groups, and civil rights organizations, continue to debate the potential outcomes. While some applaud the move as a step forward in justice for survivors, others caution about the risks of prejudicing juries against defendants. As New York goes, so might go the nation. This bill is not just a local issue, but a potential turning point in how sexual assault cases are handled nationwide. As we reflect on the proposed changes, what remains clear? The bill aims to transform how evidence in sexual assault cases is handled, a poignant response to recent court rulings. Its backers, led by those who felt the sting of injustice firsthand, push for a legal landscape where past behaviors illuminate current allegations. This isn't just about refining laws, it's about fortifying the balance between protecting rights and pursuing truth. This bill represents a crucial step in evolving the legal framework to better serve justice and support survivors of sexual assault. The journey towards legal reform continues.